Said what?
Can you take something out for dinner?
I guess. I freaking hate this snow.
Can you find something?
Oh yeah. Yeah, wings it is. At least the snow's good for something.